good night and early morning. Welcome guys, welcome to Global PET Official Live. My name is Sarah. Okay, today I bring you 3 newly designed 4G POC radios which are researched and developed by global-ptt. Okay, if you like this one, you can comment on the public screen. And also during the live, we have free gift. We have the global-ptt doll for free. We're going to give it to you for free as a gift. You can type me out on the screen to comment, and you can get a global-ptt doll. Now let me show you the first newly designed 4G radios, the 5280 Plus model. You can see here, guys, this is a 3 standby. POC, VHF, and UHF, 3 standby walkie-talkie. If you have 4G reception, press the PTT button. You can send a message out under POC working mode. If you don't have 4G reception, you can press here UHF and VHF. Press here. This is UHF. Press here. This is VHF. Okay. If you have 4G, you can talk to your team members. Here is our global-ptt receivers. We have the receivers all over the world. That's why we can use the walkie-talkie to achieve the international call to talk from one country to another. Okay. So here is the global-ptt receivers IPS. It is over the world. We call from United States to London. We call from United States to Australia. Okay, we talk from United States to Dubai. It's around the world, over the world. Okay, if you have 4G, it will work. If you don't have 4G, okay, this is the amazing part. We can talk through the UHF and VHF analog. Okay, and we can set the frequency on it. Do you have any frequency you want to talk through this walkie-talkie? The frequency we can set on it is 136 to 174. That is the frequency range. Okay, 136 to 174. Okay, and then we also can set it under the UHF. The UHF frequency is 400 to 490. Yeah. If you have a repeater, you can connect this walkie-talkie to your repeater, and you can achieve the 20 to 50 miles range. And someone is just talking here. Let me show you. They are just talking on the frequency 450. This is a public channel. Okay, as long as we are in the same frequency, we're in the same channel, we can talk to each other. Okay, and we can pick up some local frequencies. Just use this walkie-talkie to talk to some local frequencies, and we can use it to connect to a repeater. Okay, here is a menu of UHF menu. Okay, and then here's the general settings, step scan, frequency scan. The frequency scan, we can scan the frequency of some other models. Okay, and when we press the right side PTT button, okay, we can send a message. We can copy the frequency. Okay, here's a copy function, the frequency copy function, guys. Okay, we can copy the frequency of the other model. It also has the repeat function. Okay, we can use this walkie-talkie as a repeater, or we can connect it to a repeater. If you want to talk to a ham radio or GMS radio, we need to set the tone. Okay, here's the RS tone. We can set the tone, and we can set the TX tone. Okay, TX tone, CTCSS or DCSN. TX, DCSN. Okay, this is the tone. We set the tone and then we set the frequency. Okay, if we are in the same tone, the two radios, even their different brand or different model, if they are in the same tone, same frequency, we can use them to talk to each other. Okay, normally, if under the UHF analog mode, it can talk 20 to 50 miles. You can connect it to a repeater. Then we can just talk longer distance. Okay, this is our radio. It is a 3 standby. You can check here. Okay, POC, UHF, VHF, walkie-talkie, push-to-talk, national wired, DAO screen independent display, DAO mode independent TX, DAO speaker independent playback. Okay, this is a walkie-talkie, 3 standby, 3 working modes. Under POC working modes, it is a 5,000 miles range. Under UHF and VHF, okay, if we don't have 4G signal, it's a 20 to 50 miles range. You can connect it to a repeater. Okay, and guys, we also offer you the head mic. The head mic it is a free gift. If you order from the TK shop, we can connect the head mic, okay, to the left here, the left interface. We connect it and then press the PTT button. We can send the message out under the POC mode. And we can also connect here on the right. Connect it here on the right interface. Press the PTT button, send a message under UHF and VHF, guys. If you have questions, you can tell me. You can type it out on the public screen. I can answer you here directly. This is Global PTT Official Live. Okay, 2 colors. It is newly designed 4G POC radios. Here is the 528 Plus black color. Okay, the walkie-talkie actually is very important. Okay, for our daily life. Okay, we add SOS for it. I can activate the SOS function for it to show you. Okay, you can see here, I just make the SOS alarm. When I press the SOS alarm, the SOS alarm, it will ring not only on this black one, also on the color green one, and also here in the Global PTT dispatch account through the Global PTT system. Okay, you will notice that that module is now in an SOS mode. Okay, and we can go to the dispatcher to deal with it. We can query the position through the map. This is a dispatch account I can offer to you for free if you order the radios. We have two map. One is a satellite map. The other is a road condition map. We can inform the other member. Okay, press the PTT button. We can arrange the other member. We can dispatch the other members come to the rescue. If you are first responder of the team, the SOS, it is really a lifesaver. Okay, if you have questions, you can type that out. Hello, Polder calling history. Welcome and good night. This is Sarah, and our live is the Global PTT official live. Okay, this is a Global PTT radio. It is a 3 standby. You know now the POC radio, the single mode POC radio is over-flooded in the market, but a 3 standby walkie-talkie, only Global PTT, we have the technology. Okay, we add UHF and VHF for assisting. So even you don't have 4G signal, it still can work 20 to 50 miles. It is a quite a powerful one. You know, if we want to produce it, we need a high technology. And for now, only as Global PTT, we have this technology. So guys, if you like us, please just follow me. Just type here the subscriber button, become our subscriber. If you want to order videos, you can type me the logo picture, and you can see here there's an instruction. We offer one-stop Global PTT service. Here's the web. We are looking for distributors, dealers, and agents. We have 2 shops. One is for the USA customer. The other is for the other country. Okay, if you are from USA, it will be fast shipping because our warehouse is in Illinois, USA. If you are from Europe, 7 to 10 days arrive. That is our shop. If you are interested in order it, you can check our shop. If you don't want to order now, you can just watch the live. I will show you the instruction of the walkie-talkie, and I will give you the tips of how to use it. And if you want a promo, I can also offer you some promo from the live. I'm going to pass it, this one, the newly designed 3 standby 4G POC radios. Next one, I'm going to show you another smaller size. Do you like this one? It is a palm size design, super cool. 3 colors, black color, silver color, and green color. Long press SOS button, the SOS alarm it will be on. Just the same the 5288 Plus, we just long press SOS button, the SOS alarm is on in the system. And here, this one, the G6 Plus, it's the same. It is with SOS function. Long press SOS button, the SOS alarm it will be on. And we can rotate the button. Okay, we can rotate the antenna. But after we remove the antenna, the radio will lose 4G because this is 4G POC radios. Our technology, they are relying on the 4G reception, guys. This is the This is the SIM card. You can check. We can achieve the more than 200 countries and regions free call. Here's the North American SIM. We also have the Europe SIM, okay, Asia SIM, and the South American SIM, African SIM, and Oceania SIM. We have all the SIM cards, and all the SIM card, it can achieve the 200 countries and regions free call just in the global PT system. Okay, through the global PT system, we have our own system. We have our own servers. You can check. This is a global PT servers. It's all over the world. If you buy our radios, we will create a company account in the global PT system. Okay, so you can just go to the company account to manage the radios just by yourself. For example, here for me, I have 59 user. Okay, I have a 59 user now. Actually, I have more than no more than 50. I have 66 now users. We can add more users in the existing group, and we can divide the user to different groups, guys. Okay, and if you want to add more user, you have a common account. You can ask us to add it for you. Okay, but I want to tell you about the account. Okay, if you buy the radios from different brands, and you get from the different company, they are not compatible with each other because it is a POC radios. All the POC radios, they are private. Okay, for me, like me, I just show that I have 59 members, right? I can talk to them. If I am in the same group with them. Okay, if we are not in the same group, we cannot talk each other because it is POC radios. POC radios, they are rely on the 4G signal, and they are rely on the global PT system. This is the SIM card we offered to in our shop. It is a global SIM card which cover 174 countries, so we can achieve the 174 countries free call with the SIM card I show to you here. Okay, and now press the SOS button, the SOS alarm A to or B on, and press the PTT button, we can send the message out. Here is the menu, guys. You can just check here. We can go to the member to check the member, which member you want to talk into. You can choose a member, talk to the member, and you can see here my group name, Japan PTT1. Okay, so which means we can talk from here to Japan. We can talk from USA to Japan, but we must join here in the same group. But they are not online. I think tomorrow, tomorrow no live. The day after tomorrow, if our member, they are online, we can try to test it for you. I have 7 members now in Japan PTT1. That's the radios now in Japan. Okay, but they are not online. The day after tomorrow, when we start our live again, I can talk to you, test it for you. 4G radios, there is no density limit. Even you are not in Japan, you are in Dubai, you are in UK, we can still talk to them. But we must join here in the same group, in the same channel. Here is our global PTT account. You can check. Okay, we can check here user profile. I have 18 groups. My user is 59. Between the 59 user, we can talk each other. No density limit. I can create more groups. Like here, I have one group which name is Global PTT Japan. Okay, Japan PTT1. I have other channels, Global PTT1, Global PTT2, NYC PTT2. Those are the private channels. If you are not in the same private channel, you can't talk each other. That's our product, a private 4G POC radios. And guys, we are looking for dealers and distributor. This is the metal one. Okay, if you are looking for a supplier, you are looking for a factory who produce this walkie-talkie, we are the one. We have very high standard for the radios we produced. Okay, and it works great. It works worldwide. We need high technology, and this one's newly designed one. We just add the generation 2 chip on it, guys. Okay, if you like it, you can go to the shop. How to order it? This is our shop, guys. You can check it here. Type my logo picture. Type here. This is my live, right? Type here the logo picture. Show more. Okay, you will see the instruction here. Shop for USA customer, shop for other countries. Check it by yourself if you want to order this walkie-talkie. There are so many different designs. I have 3 newly designed I will show in today's live. This one, the G6 Plus model. I will show you another one, big size, and that is also our best seller and the one that I recommend best from global-ptt. This one. It's a dual band one. It is also a big size one. Let me measure the size for you. Just the same the link number, just the same the 5280 Plus model. Okay, this one is, it works even without a 4G signal. Okay, you can see here. This is the size. The width is 6 centimeter and the length is 13 centimeter. And here the antenna is 20 centimeter above. Okay, you can see here. This is the size. Actually, it's a big walkie-talkie. It's not a small one. It's not a mini one. Okay, we also have mini one here. I will introduce the big one first, and later on, I'm going to show you the mini one. We have many mini size walkie-talkie. Okay, this one's G8 Plus. G8 Plus. Okay, this is G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model is dual band. It works under POC UHF analog. Let me show you the full working mode here. There are 4 working mode: POC working mode, analog working mode, mix mode, and then repeater mode. If you have a repeater or you want to connect this walkie-talkie to your repeater, it is possible. Set them in the same frequency and the same time. You can connect it to your repeater. Okay, and we add FM radio on it, so we can talk. Oh, sorry, we can listen to the FM radio, listen to the news, listen to the music. And I will test it for you. If we listen to the FM radio, can we still talk through POC or UHF analog? Now let me press the PTT button. Well, just now listen to the FM radio, right? Press the PTT button. Okay, when we press the PTT button, still working. So which means FM radio will not affect the function of the POC. And also the UHF, it will not affect the function of the UHF analog mode too. This one's the best one I recommend from our shop or from us, because it is a 2-in-1, 2 standby, POC and UHF analog. Okay, press the PTT button, just send a message. We set it for you before we sell it, before we ship out. We set it in the factory. So after you get it, actually it's just out of the box and ready to use. You don't need to set anything. But if you have a ham radio, or you are a ham radio operator, or you have a GMS radio, you want to program it. You want to program this walkie-talkie to your ham radio, to your repeater, or to your GMS radio. This is the programming cable, okay? You can connect it to your computer to program it. Remember, download the software from our web, okay? But I have a faster way for you. I will teach you how to set the frequency directly. You can see here, VNM, channel mode, frequency mode. We can set it directly. What frequency you want to talk, okay? For example, it's 14-12500. Set it. After we set it, press here the menu button. We need to set the time. This is the RS time. This is the TS time. RS time, okay, let me show you here. CTCSS time, NDCS time, IDCS. Set it. Okay, choose the time you want to talk into. You want to set. Okay, set it directly. Choose it. Yeah, this is how to set the time and how to set the frequency. If you have a repeater, you can connect it to a repeater. It also has a copy function. If you don't know the frequency of the other module, you can use this walkie-talkie to copy the frequency of the other module. Okay, copy function. This one is a copy function too. That's the function of our walkie-talkie. This one is G8 Plus. G8 Plus. Okay, let me show you again if you want to order it, where to order or how to order it. Okay, press here, open. I'm just watching the live a while ago. Okay, here is my live, right? You type here the logo picture, type again, and then show more. Show more, you will see here the whole instruction. If you are from USA, you are lucky because it's fast shipping. This is our USA shop. If you're not from USA, from the other countries, this is the other countries. Okay, you can check it by yourself if you want to order it. If you don't need it now, you can still watch our live. I will show you the radios. I will introduce it, so you will know more about it before you order any radios. Now let me go on the live to show another one. This one is another one. Actually, this is our best seller. Okay, you may notice that the design is just similar like the first one, right? Okay, they are similar design, but they are different model, guys. This one is 6500 model. This is the Plus. Okay, the Plus, it has a larger screen, bigger. The screen of the 5288 or 650 model, it is smaller. Okay, because it's a two standby. This is a three standby. Three standby. This is a two standby. Okay, actually, this one is newly designed one. It is very popular for now. But this one is before it's the best seller. The price is lower for this one, the 5288 model. The 5288 Plus is a little bit expensive. It's 500 above for two. This one's only 300 above for two. Yeah. If you want it with GPS, you can just choose the one with the GPS function. For this one, on my head, it has two versions. One is with GPS, the other is without GPS. Okay, there is earpiece for it. We give the accessories for you for free. This is the earpiece. We offered it to you for free. Okay, connect the earpiece to the walkie-talkie, and there are two PTT buttons here. Button 1 and button 2. Press button 1, we can send a message out under POC. Button 2 is for the radios under the UHF analog. POC and UHF analog. Connect here, guys. Connect here the interface. Press the PTT button, send a message out. Okay? And there's one antenna, a long one. There is one antenna, a long antenna. Actually, there is an inner antenna, but we can't see it. When you open this walkie-talkie, you can see the inner antenna. Okay, this is a high technology walkie-talkie. It's different from the the cheap ones, maybe $20 or $30. You can buy one. This one, it is more than $300 for two. Yeah, but actually compared to Motorola, the price is still very low. Our system are different. The design is very similar, but the system are different actually. We are not rely on the P25 system, which they are rely on P25 system, which is good for government. Our walkie-talkie, most of our clients use it for commercial, for business, firefighter, policeman, warehouse, hotel, okay, security and bodyguard, construction team. It is widely used for commercial use. Okay, you don't need to rent a walkie-talkie. You rent a walkie-talkie good for 3-5 days. It will cost you $200. This one is only $100 above if you bought one. Okay, if you buy one, it will be yours. Okay, the other day if you want to use it, just take it out, insert the SIM card, it will work. Very simple. Okay, it is a special equipment for communication. It's different from your phone. Here is the phone, guys. We can use the phone to communicate, but we need to dial the number. And most of the time, the phone we use it for play games. Okay, but the walkie-talkie is a professional equipment. It's good for your work, for your business, for emergency case. Even you don't have 4G signal, this one works. And guys, the big one, it works too. And the big one is much powerful and it can reach longer even without a 4G signal. If you ask me which one I recommend best, okay, actually this one is the one that I recommend best from global-ptt because it's much simple and much stable. There are so many construction teams, they choose this design. If they are just having a rest or take a break, they can still listen to the FM radio. This is for amusement, for entertainment. Okay, and for number 1 and number 2, we give a free head mic. Okay, the head mic is $35. This is a free head mic. Okay, but for the 5288 model, we only offer the earpiece. Okay, earpiece. This is the earpiece for free. Yeah, these are the radios we showed for you for today. I show 3 big radios. The big radios is much popular than the small one. The big radios are much popular than the small one. Okay, but for the small one, we also upgrade many. Okay, like this one G6 model, it is small, but it is a global band. It works great. And like this one is small. They are all metal. They are not ABS materials. They are not a plastic one. Plastic one are easily to get broken. We don't sell plastic one, but actually we have plastic. Like this one is plastic. The plastic one, the price a little bit cheaper, but the quality The quality of the metal one is much better. It's much durable. Yeah, you can compare. Because you know, if you order it from the shop, our shop will offer a 3 days free return. So you can test it for 3 days. If you don't like, just return to us. Yeah, I'm going to show some other smaller size one. This one's super cool. This is G6 Plus, G6 model. It's a global band one. This one's G388 model. It's global band one, which is made from metal. Okay, I used it so many times until now, still works great. This one's a G318 model. It is not a metal. This is ABS materials one. It's cheaper. Okay, but it also works great. Global band. Okay, in the same card, it will be ready to use. Very mini size one. You can put it in your bag, in your pocket. If you are looking for Android walkie-talkie, because some friend asked me, do you have an Android one? This is an Android one. Actually, we have more than 40 different designs from us, but I can't show all because the time here I stay here is very short time, only half hour, sometimes 40 minutes only. I can't show all. So guys, if you want to see the videos, you can just give me a following. Okay, or you can just leave a message on the public screen. I can answer you directly. This one's Android one with GPS, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, but this one no. If you want to get professional equipment, of course I will recommend you those radios. Okay, because these are much stable. It's professional for communication. Okay, this one's good for play. Yeah, Android walkie-talkie is good for play. If you want to achieve the professional communication, choose the big one or choose the professional one, the iOS system, which is much stable. Okay, and guys, next one I want to show you a waterproof walkie-talkie. I have a waterproof walkie-talkie here. This one, it is a large screen and it is a waterproof one. It's totally waterproof, guys. Even we drop it inside the water, it can float on the top of the water. But if you want to do waterproof, you need to close here. Yeah, and this is a single mode. It's not dual band. It's a single mode one. We insert the same card, it will be ready to use. Let me show you the size of the same card. You can check here. We open it, guys. Yeah, there's a small SIM card, in 13. And our SIM card is a 3 size card. You can see this is a large size, you can remove it. If the radio they need a big SIM card, you can remove it. If they need medium size, remove here. If they need the nano size, small size, you just remove the one in the middle. Our SIM card plate is a 3 size card, so it's actually very convenient. No matter your small radios or big radios, the SIM card slot is small or big. It can work great. Okay, you will not waste your money. We offer 1 year international warranty for all the videos we showed in our live. If you want to order, you can check my information, guys. Here is my information. Show more. Follow me. Become our follower first. Okay, and you can see we offer one-stop global PET service. And here's a shop for customers from USA, and here's a shop for other countries. Check it by yourself. We are the global PTT walkie-talkie factory. We are the manufacturer, and all the videos are researched and developed by ourselves. Now I have more than 1,000 subscribers for now. I post so many videos. If you want to know more information about our radios, you can check here the videos I post. Okay, we also have the sample videos, okay, and also the shorts. There are so many. Become our subscriber, and every time when we doing the live or when we post the videos, you will receive the message. Okay, this is us. And I do live, okay, I do live. There are so many lives. You can also watch the live. Every time when I start my live, I gonna to introduce our radios. And if we have new radios, I gonna to show in our live. Okay, just the last 1 minute, guys. Thank you so much for coming to our live. If you like our live or you like global PTT radios, please become our subscriber. You can also check our web. Okay, you will see there are so many different designs. You know, we are growing. Every year we have 10 new designs will come to market. You will see the radios in the market. you will have new radios in the market at the end of the year. Okay, and every year there are 10 designs. And actually for now in my life, I have 40 different designs. Each design we spend $50,000 for research and development until you can see this. After 6 months, you can see the new designs. We offer product ODM and OEM, guys. If you are looking for a supplier, okay, you can come to me or you can leave me a message. We will finish our live for today. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, bye-bye.